Welcome to Uptime.com. Today we'll be showing you how to monitor processes and jobs using Uptime.com's custom checks, perfect for ensuring your automations, such as cron tasks or scripts, are always running smoothly. Custom checks in Uptime.com allow you to monitor periodic jobs and processes, or issuing alerts if actions do or don't occur. Whether you're managing cron jobs, daemons, or even complex deployment processes, these checks ensure that everything is running as it should be. The custom checks are called Heartbeat and Incoming Webhook. Heartbeat checks expect a request to be made to this unique URL at a specified interval, whether every 1 minute, every hour, or even every day. If no request is received within the set interval, an alert will be triggered, notifying your team that the process may have stopped or needs attention. Additionally, the Heartbeat check can relay response time metrics, helping you measure process performance over time. Incoming webhooks allow you to trigger alerts instantly in response to specific events, providing more flexibility. Let's start with adding a Heartbeat check. To set up a Heartbeat check, navigate to Monitoring and click Create Check. From the Check Type dropdown, choose Heartbeat. After creating the check, Uptime.com will generate a unique Heartbeat URL, a curl command, and a curl command with time series metrics for you to use. The Heartbeat URL is where your external system will send regular pings to confirm that the process is still running. To set up an incoming webhook, follow a similar process. Select Incoming Webhook from the Check Type dropdown. Again here, select Create Check, and Uptime.com will also generate a unique webhook URL, a curl command, and a curl command with time series metrics. When the process completes or fails, it sends data to this URL, updating Uptime.com on whether the job was successful or not. According to the value provided, Uptime.com will trigger an alert or recover a check that is down. Combining Heartbeat checks and webhooks provides a more complete observability for your infrastructure. While the Heartbeat monitors continuous operations, webhooks react to specific events, providing real-time alerting if a task fails to execute. Uptime.com's custom checks offer a flexible and reliable way to monitor critical processes and systems, ensuring you're alerted the moment something goes wrong. Whether you're using Heartbeat or webhooks, you can easily tailor these checks to meet your infrastructure needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and visit Uptime.com to explore all the ways we can help you maintain uptime and performance.